Debt traps millions of people, not because they overspend, but because they were never taught how money truly works. Most people don't notice the small habits that quietly keep them stuck in debt year after year. Once you understand these habits, escaping debt becomes far easier than you might think. Let's break down the 5 most common debt mistakes that keep people broke without realizing it. And more importantly, I'll show you how to fix each one with simple, practical steps. Mistake number 1, relying on minimum payments. This single habit keeps people in debt for decades. When you pay only the minimum, most of your payment goes toward interest, not the actual balance. This makes your debt barely move, even after months or years of consistent payments. For example, a $2,000 balance can take more than 10 years to pay off if you stick to minimum payments. To escape this trap, pay even a little extra each month. $10 can cut years off your repayment.
Those small extra payments reduce your principal faster, which means less interest and more progress sooner. This one habit alone can save you years of payments and thousands of dollars in wasted interest. Mistake number 2, ignoring high-interest debt. This is the fastest way debt grows out of control. When interest grows faster than your payments, your balance increases even when you're paying every month. This is why credit card debt is so dangerous. Small balances quietly explode over time. The best way to fight this is the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest rate first. It may not feel motivating at first, but it saves the most money in the long run. Every extra dollar you put toward high-interest debt shrinks how much you owe overall. This simple shift in strategy can save you hundreds or even thousands over time. Most people never notice how much interest drains their wealth until it's too late, but fixing it is completely possible. Lifestyle creep trickles in quietly. You earn more, you spend more, and your debt never truly decreases. Instead of upgrading everything when income rises, choose what genuinely improves your life. Most people overspend not because they're careless, but because spending without rules always feels comfortable. But comfort becomes costly when it prevents you from directing money toward your debt. Cutting even a few unnecessary expenses each month frees up money to pay off debt faster. This small shift brings massive long-term financial relief when repeated consistently. Mistake number 4, not tracking your spending. Most people underestimate expenses by a huge margin. Small purchases are the silent killers. A few daily expenses quietly add up to hundreds each month. If you don't know where your money is going, escaping debt becomes extremely difficult. Tracking your spending doesn't restrict you. It simply shows you what's draining your money the fastest. For just 1 month, write down every purchase. You'll be shocked how much money slips through unnoticed. Awareness alone gives you the power to redirect money toward your debt instead of losing it to impulse spending. Mistake number 5, having no emergency fund. One unexpected expense can instantly throw you back into debt. Life hits harder when you're unprepared. Car repairs, medical bills, and unexpected changes happen without warning. Without a safety net, every surprise becomes a setback that drags you deeper into financial stress. But here's the good news. You don't need thousands of dollars to start an emergency fund. Start with just $50 or $100. Even a tiny cushion prevents future debt disasters. And once you have it, even minor emergencies stop turning into major financial crises. These 5 mistakes keep millions stuck in the debt cycle, but recognizing them gives you the power to break free. Progress begins with small, consistent improvements, not perfection. Every step forward matters. Pay more than the minimum, target high-interest debt first, and stay aware of your spending. These steps change everything. Reduce lifestyle creep and protect yourself with even a small emergency fund. It makes every financial choice easier. You have far more control over your financial future than you think, even if things feel difficult right now. Your debt doesn't define you. It's just a temporary situation, and every wise decision pushes you a little closer to freedom. Your financial recovery starts today. Stay consistent, stay focused, and you'll be surprised how fast everything changes.